Hello and welcome to Alliance CSPP Virtual Open House. We're so excited to have you here today. Faculty and staff are eager to have the opportunity to connect with you. You'll be able to chat live with them. Please feel free to get to know us by checking out our other booths. We have a welcome message from our Dean, Dr. David Stewart, as well as booths for admissions, financial aid, and student services. You'll also notice that there'll be campus and program booths as well. So feel free to click in there. You'll be able to chat live with our faculty and staff from that respective campus. You'll also find faculty bios and videos within those booths. Now, as you're navigating this site, if you run into any technical issues, please feel free to email us at admissions@alliant.edu. So remember, any technical issues, let us know at admissions@alliant.edu. And don't forget, our application workshop is this Friday at 10:30 in the morning, so we'll definitely see you there. Once again, thank you for attending CSPP's Virtual Open House. We're so excited to have you here today.